Holcim are very proud to be part of the Kidston Pumped Hydro Energy Project here at Kidston Mine in Far North Queensland, which is about 5 hours inland from Townsville. The Kidston Pumped Hydro Project is part of the Kidston Energy Hub, which incorporates the Kidston Wind Farm and the Kidston Solar Farm as well. We started working on this project back in 2018 with McConnell Dowell and John Holland's JV as part of the tender stage. And then as the project has progressed, we've really developed a really strong collaborative working relationship with the project team here on site. We're now halfway through this project on site and we've supplied to date over 75,000 cubic metres of concrete, a combination of above ground surface works and underground shotcrete. The shotcrete's been used to stabilise the 2 kilometre long access tunnel down to the pump shaft.
Setup of the project has been really well managed by Holcim, and we've built a good relationship with Holcim, both supervision on the project as well as management. Holcim's safety management systems and quality processes really align with both McConnell Dowell and John Holland's requirements. It's been a very smooth process and easy to get the project established.
The batch plant selected is a twin bin, twin silo mobile skip plant with a capacity of 80 cubic metres an hour, with the plant coming from south of Townsville in double and triple row trains, and the concrete for the foundations of the plant coming from over 5 hours away. This particular mobilisation was challenging, being 4 to 5 hours from the nearest town, limited communications and limited resources on site.
Holcim have really supported the project there and the supply chain with regards to managing the deliveries and logistics through the wet season when we lose access to site for weeks at a time. We've been able to maintain production throughout our wet seasons with the support of Holcim and their suppliers.
The quality management system's governed through a set of ITPs for both concrete and quarry materials. On site here we have a lab that can provide all these services. Also to strengthen our quality obligations, it's monitored by the Technical Services Division within the group.
From a sustainability perspective, we've utilised 100% recycled aggregates for all of the concrete on this project. We've repurposed the mining spoil waste from mining activities on this site, crushed, screened, processed on site, ensuring compliance, etc. And then we've been able to repurpose the byproducts from this process, the crusher dust, and incorporate that back into other mixes on the project, such as the stabilised sand capping material that's been utilised all around the upper dam on this project.
And obviously still test and certify a product to meet all the required specifications and Australian standards with a fully reused product has been really outstanding and a great success for the project.